How to mount the OMEN 27i gaming monitor. In this video, we'll be unboxing and mounting the HP OMEN 27i gaming monitor. Inside the box, you'll find a quick setup guide, warranty information, power cord and adapter, DisplayPort cable, USB Type-A to USB Type-B cable, monitor stand, and the monitor. Carefully lift the monitor and stand out of the box and remove the packaging. Take care not to touch the surface of the LCD panel. Pressure on the panel can damage the monitor. Position the monitor face down on a flat, even surface. Prepare the surface with a soft, non-abrasive cloth to prevent damaging the LCD panel. At this point, you can attach the monitor stand if you're not using a monitor mount. Insert the stand into the hinge slot on the back of the monitor and tighten the screws with the supplied Allen tool attached to the stand base. Next, we will demonstrate how to mount the monitor using the VESA industry standard 100mm by 100mm mounting holes. This monitor is compatible with most standard mounting devices. Ensure your mounting device supports 100 by 100mm VESA mounting and can rotate at least 45 degrees. If the monitor stand is mounted to the monitor, remove it using the supplied Allen tool. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry open the VESA cover on the back of the monitor and remove it. Remove the 6 screws that secure the stand hinge to the monitor and remove it. Remove the 4 VESA screws from the back of the monitor. We will use these screws to attach the mounting plate. Rotate the VESA mounting plate, supplied with the mounting device, 45 degrees to line up with the screw holes on the back of the monitor. With the mounting plate rotated 45 degrees, insert it into the slot on the back of the monitor. Reinsert the 4 VESA screws that were removed earlier to secure the mounting plate to the monitor. Be sure that the mounting plate is properly secured to the monitor before use. Finish mounting the monitor to the monitor arm or stand by following the manufacturer's specifications. Now that the monitor has been successfully mounted, route the cables through the cable management guide. The DisplayPort cable is the preferred connection type for optimal performance. It enables the use of G-Sync, which matches the monitor's refresh rate with the GPU render rates for a seamless experience. Connect the USB cable. The USB Type-A to USB Type-B cable will enable USB port functionality on the monitor. Then, connect the power cord. Press the power button to turn the monitor on.